my question today is, what's the number one thing I can do to make our audit go smoothly?
Mike, we understand that preparing for an audit is not something people look forward to each year and can seem like quite a daunting task. But with the right preparation, an audit can be viewed as a beneficial resource versus a necessary evil. The number one thing that you can do to prepare for an audit is to review and compile all the information included on the client assistance listing. The client assistance listing will be given to you by the engagement team prior to fieldwork and will contain the majority of the items that will be needed to perform the audit. This list will not be all-inclusive because there are always items that we will need that we won't be able to choose until we receive those initial reports. Having everything prepared and ready to go on the first day of fieldwork will assist in 3 ways. First, you will ensure that all of your account detail reconciles to the trial balance. As you're gathering the information together, ensure that all of the information included on the client assistance list that you're pulling together actually ties or reconciles to the general ledger. If any adjustments are needed to reconcile those accounts, post them right away so that the trial balance that the engagement team receives requires little adjustment, if any. A best practice is for someone, such as the CFO or the controller, to review all the reconciliations prior to giving them to your auditor. Second, by reviewing and gathering all the information prior to fieldwork, you will have plenty of time to reach out to the engagement team should you have any questions or concerns about any of the information included on the request list. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to your engagement team throughout the year. When you enter into any significant transactions such as a new debt agreement, a purchase or sale of a business, or implementation of a new accounting software. Early recognition of these items will help the year-end audit go much smoother. Third, and this one is a benefit to you, by having everything ready on the first day of fieldwork, when the engagement team arrives, they won't have to bother you. They will have plenty of things to do so that you can continue to focus on your day-to-day responsibilities. You will only need to be available for them for questions or to provide follow-up supporting documentation. With proper preparation, an audit can actually be a positive experience. Not only will you get assurance that your financial information is true and fair, but you'll also get ideas and feedback on ways to improve processes and internal controls, and maybe even find better ways to be more efficient. At RKL, we continue to provide ideas and feedback to our clients throughout the year. We want to be viewed as business advisors, not just the auditor. To learn more about RKL's audit services, contact one of our local offices or visit us online at www.rklcpa.com.